Hey everyone, this is Julie with Heard That, and I just wanted to go over a little bit about how I go about cleaning and keeping things organized where it's easier to clean. I'm going to start in the bathroom, but this is what we do. Okay, I always make sure that we have a trash can by the toilet with a liner because I hate going into a trash can and having to dump it and all that kind of stuff. It's better just to pull the bag and put a new fresh bag. And I like the Febreze ones that smells. Another thing, toilet paper. If you don't have a cabinet to put it, we're in a smaller home, so there's not a whole lot of space. So we keep ours in a little container, and I like for everything to pretty much match. Then we have a magazine holder. Who doesn't like to read on the toilet? I don't know. I like to get on and get off, but Randy likes to read. So, and another good thing is to have an air freshener to always make the bathroom smell clean and all that kind of stuff. Of course, your hooks for your rags and stuff. To keep your shower curtains, if you have a liner, if you don't have a door, I always spray like bleach, like every week when I do a deep clean on my house. I like to spray bleach on that to keep the mold and stuff from growing on that. Also, pet peeve of mine, I hate when there's bottles all over the shelves and stuff, and I go to clean and I have to lift every single bottle, scrub, and then put everything back. These containers right here are great. They have little hose. I'll show you in the basket, and so not much water can get in there. And so when I go to clean, I just pick it up, empty the water, and then put it back. It makes my life so much easier. And then I do steam clean like every 2 weeks or so, and then I do my disinfectant sanitized gun that sprays disinfectant in places that I might not be able to reach. So pretty much that's it for this. You know, of course, your floors and your baseboards and stuff like that. The things that I use is baby oil, and this is a little thing that I do here. But if you take your toilet paper roll and put a little bit of baby oil inside the roller part. Oh, that squeezed out a lot. But you put it in there, and then when it rolls, it's a good freshener on that too. Another thing I wanted to show you, when you go to clean your toilet, I know there's a lot of scrubbers and stuff, you know, your toilet brush, but a lot of places that people forget. I'm going to use a Q-tip, and that's what you use. Just spray bleach, let it soak, and then take your Q-tips where urine and stuff might accumulate on there, and that will help. And then a lot of people forgets about underneath this ring right here. You will be surprised if you take a paper towel, spray some bleach, and then rub your paper towel on there, how much stuff is there. I know that sounds gross, but I'm just trying to do a video to show you things that you might not think about when you're cleaning. Another thing that I heard that you could do is put some Snuggle Plus Super Fresh in your tank, just a little. And that's not to soften that, it's just to make it smell good. Anything to make a bathroom, because I know some bathrooms can really stink and you get used to your own smells and everything, but when you have guests and stuff, you want it to really smell good. So that takes care of the bathroom part. I use just an antibacterial spray just, you know, to make sure that the sinks and the faucets and everything are good. I always use a bleach, not pure bleach, but something that would bleach, and I spray it on the bottom of my shower, and I'll let that set for just a little bit, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes. And also I do that with the toilet. And then since we have wood cabinets, I spray liquid gold. And then of course you can't go any place without Windex for your mirrors and all that kind of stuff. And then last but not least, I always use my sanitized gun. The sanitized gun is good, like I said, because when you wipe, you're getting your surface and stuff, but you can't get in all the little nook and crannies, all the little nook and crannies that the sanitized gun does. And we have a business with this, so I like it. And all this does is spray disinfectant, has a UV light. I'm not too much concerned about the UV light. I like it because study shows that UV light works, but I'm more about getting the disinfectant in places that I miss by wiping. So I really like that, especially for your commodes and stuff like that. I just think it's very, very sanitary. And like your floors, if you just want to spray because it doesn't get anything wet, it's a dry spray. You just put your sanitizer on it, and it's just a really, really fine mist. And like your faucets and stuff like that, I like to get done. Trash cans, just places where you always touch. So that's one thing I like about that. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments below, and like and subscribe. And if you do any of these at your own house, please let me know. But remember, snuggle in your tank, baby oil on your toilet paper roll, spick and span, a good antibacterial spray for everything, a good spray that has bleach in it. Let it set for 5 or 10 minutes. If you have wood furniture, I use liquid gold, and then your glass cleaner. And then if you don't have a sanitizer, then I don't know. That's just what I do because I do businesses and homes. We do sanitizing, so we have it. But just make sure you're getting all the little nook and crannies. And then also, I know there's companies out there that does it too, but you can also order a gun online. So anyway, just give me a comment, and give me a like, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye, y'all.